Hello, magandang umaga po to all the people. So, sa ngayon, ating talakayan regarding balita po, ito po ay sa budget ng 2025 what they call the blank situation po. So, sinagot naman ito sa Supreme Court regarding itong sa mga what they call empty o blank. So, kung may blank, dyan po nilalagay yung mga tinatawag na insertion kung magkano gusto mo. Okay? Ganyan po kasimple yung tatikod blank. Blank situation po. So, makinig po tayo sa balita. Kung natatandaan ninyo, so si Congressman Ungab po, Davao District, Philippines. Siya po ang Congressman Davao District 3 ng Davao. At siya din ang nakadiscover po regarding po sa blank situation at saka insertion po. Sila po. Kasama po dito si Atty. Beck Rodriguez po. Yan po. Sila pong grupo at sila ang nakadiscover regarding paano ginagawa ng budget insertion. Siyempre, kung budget insertion, dyan po tinatawag na what they call siyempre blank po kasi dyan po nilagay yung insertion po. So, ganito po. Siya po ang dati po yung panahon po kay Aquino, Duterte, veteran po si Congressman Unga po. Pati na po si Beck Rodriguez po. Yan po. Si Beck Rodriguez po ay siya po yung executive secretary ng Pangulong Aquino, Pangulong Duterte po, at siyempre sa present administration po. Yan po si magaling na si Beck Rodriguez po. Sila po ang nakadiscover regarding sa what they call blank situation. Again, thank you sa inyong lahat sa walang sawang support po o makinig, manood sa video po ito. At least, kung hindi pa nakita, makinig kayo. Don't forget to share po kung nagustuhan na yung video na to, at least malaban ng iba. So, ngayon, pakinggan natin si Retired General po from Agusan. Siya po ang magbabasa dito regarding po sa what they call yung na-discover nila ni Congressman Ungab po. So, makinig po tayo. Ayusin natin. Yan po. Ito na po.
Supreme Court in Bank has issued an order consolidating my petition and other petitioners questioning the blank items in the bicameral conference committee report. Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction opinion itong post ni E.B. Bugalbo. Sabi lang na dito, ito na ba the final nail in BBM's coffin o kabaw? Nilansangan na, silyado na, then this year. Isinir ni E.B. Bugalbo ang post. Good news, isinir ni Congressman Isidro Ungab. The Supreme Court has just taken a major step in our fight to protect the integrity of the 2025 national budget. The Supreme Court in Bank has issued an order consolidating my petition with the separate petition filed by Atty. Beck Rodriguez and other petitioners questioning, among others, the blank items in the bicameral conference committee report of 2025 GAA. What does this mean? Number one, the Supreme Court now recognizes that these cases raise common and serious constitutional issues about how the 2025 budget was crafted and approved. Number two, My petition on the PhilHealth funding and related constitutional violations will now be heard and decided together with the petition is specifically questioning the existence of blank entry in the BICAM report. Number two, the issues of transparency, completeness, and regularity in the budget process, including any blank and zeroed out critical items, will now be examined by the court in one consolidated proceeding. This is an important development because the Constitution is very clear. One, Congress must pass a complete and clear appropriation law, not a budget riddled with blanks, uncertainty, or post-enactment discretion. Number two, every peso in the GAA must be traceable, authorized, and subject to accountability. As a legislator and petitioner, I welcome this move of the Supreme Court. It ensures a more coherent and comprehensive review of the 2025 GAA and the process by which it was passed. This is not about personalities or partisan color. This is about defending the constitutional power of the court, protecting the public funds from abuse, and making sure every Filipino's hard-earned tax money is lawfully and transparently allocated. I will keep you updated as things progress. For now, the message is clear. The questions we raised about the 2025 budget are real, serious, and now is clearly before the Supreme Court. Panahon na para managot ang mga naglaro sa ating pambansang budget. Ang pundo ng taong bayan hindi dapat gawing blank check. Ito, isisinok ni Congressman Omar ang document from Supreme Court. Supreme Court Manila and Bank Notice. So, sinasabi dito na i-consolidate signed by authority of the court, ang pumirma is yung so, akala ko nakalimutan na ito. Kailan ba yun? Last year ato yun. Meron nang naka-schedule na oral arguments. If I'm not mistaken, April 1, 2, and 3. Oral argument para sa petition ito, yung blank, BICAM blank item. Pero biglang na-postpone. Wala na. So after 1 year, ito na, consolidated na pala. At least, buhay pa ang kaso. Medyo mabagal na lang, sige na lang. Intindihin na lang natin ang Supreme Court sa dami ng pinahawakan nilang kaso. At least, umuusad na ang justisya.
Yan po ang Congressman ng Davao po. At yung nagsasalita, yan po ang retired Army po, si General Macaranias po, Pamagusan. So, thank you sa inyong lahat. Mag-ingat po palagi. Siyempre, the health is your wealth. So, again, thank you. Sana ay na gustuhan niyo itong vlog na ito. Don't forget to like, to share po. At least yung hindi pa nakapanood, nakinig sa balitang ito, matuwa sila kung paano what it called nilusta yung budget ng 2025 ang session ng Blank Syndicate. Again, thank you. Bye-bye. God bless everyone. Salamat po.